Great. I have prepared a template that will allow you to create a cover for your track in just a few minutes. Let me show you. We open the project folder and install this font. Next, we go to the PSD file, double-click on it, and a window opens in Photoshop. We see our project, and here is the topmost layer. We select it and double-click on it. We agree to everything, and here we need to write the title for our track. I write some random word, like this. After everything is done, press Ctrl S to save the changes. After everything is saved, we can close this window. We go to the main project and see that the text is positioned as we need. Below, there is a layer called Color. Here we can choose the color value for our cover. Even lower, there is a layer with rights. We can remove it or leave it. After the cover is ready, save it in JPEG format and make sure the image size is 3000 by 3000 pixels. Then click Save. I hope I helped you. Check out my other videos on the channel. There you will find track covers, animation templates, and design resources. You can download the project via the link in the description.